wonder that you are. Oh, Canada, can we wish upon a star?